And now, DIY taillight installation. Imagine nyo, 15 hours ko siyang finifilm. Pero ginupit ko down just to a few minutes. Kasi naman, sino bang gustong manood ng 15 hours na puro tornilyo at pawis ko? Pero ayun, after ilang beses kong nagtanong sa sarili ko kung tama ba tong ginagawa ko.
A few moments later.
And boom, new taillight.
Oh my God! Wow!
Five hours later.
So ayun. So ayun ang